I tried this method and you know what? They keep it locked away like a secret vault of the easiest AI automation passive income. Here's the twist, I'm about to reveal everything. With ChatGPT, Google Books and a powerful AI design tool, you could be earning $900 a day with everything running on automation. Yeah, sounds too good to be true, right? But it's real. Stick with me and thank me later because this is the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's start our secret easy game. Step 1. Register as a Google Books partner. Visit the Google Books Partner program, go to Google Books Partner Center to register as a publisher. Fill in your details, add your name, country, and other relevant information. Create your payment profile, enter your bank account and tax information to receive payments. Once completed, your partner profile will be created successfully. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with new videos on passive income strategies. Step 2. Create an ebook on a trending topic. Choose a trending topic, use Google Trends or Google News to identify hot trending topics. For example, topics like ChatGPT AI or large global events such as the Olympics are excellent choices. Niche down for specific audiences, create ebooks targeting specific niches. Provide clear prompts like write a 20-page ebook on ChatGPT for people aged 60. ChatGPT will generate the title, chapters, and content. Review the content and ask ChatGPT to continue or modify sections as needed. Copy the text into Google Docs. Step 3. Add a disclaimer and finalize the ebook. Add a disclaimer. Include a disclaimer stating the ebook was created with the help of AI. You can use ChatGPT to generate a simple disclaimer. This ebook was created with the assistance of AI. While effort has been made to ensure accuracy, the content is for informational purposes only. Create a cover as ChatGPT or use AI tools like Leonardo AI to generate an attractive ebook cover. Step 4. Publish the ebook on Google Books. Upload to Google Books, go back to your Google Books partner account and upload the finished PDF, ensuring it meets the formatting requirements. Set pricing, set a price for your ebook. For example, selling it for $9.99 ensures you make 70% per sale, $7 per ebook. Make the book discoverable, add relevant tags and descriptions to ensure your ebook ranks well on Google Books and can be easily found by potential buyers. Step 5. Promote your ebook. Create blog posts, use ChatGPT to generate blog posts related to your ebook's topic. For example, if your ebook is about ChatGPT for 60, create blog posts explaining how older adults can benefit from AI tools like ChatGPT. Publish on medium.com. Publish these blog posts on Medium to take advantage of its large audience. Include a call to action linking readers to your ebook on Google Books. Optimize for SEO. Use trending keywords from Google Trends or Google News to ensure your blog posts rank on search engines, increasing traffic and sales. Every single time someone searches about ChatGPT, your article will show up teaching them how to use ChatGPT, and the way you're going to be making sales of your book on this article here is by adding calls to action inside this article, and whenever someone searches or reads your article, you're going to be able and shown the opportunity to buy your ebook from the Google Books platform.